Here's interesting app called 1998 Cam Vintage Camera. So this app is similar to Labs app or Dash Cam or some other kind of Polaroid vintage apps which you have there. Create beautiful photos with vintage touch, just like the year 1998. Cam is a disposable camera with a date stamp that gives your beautiful photos and videos a precious retro feel of the analog film. It's a vintage camera that was the most popular in the 90s. This app offers popular film filters and all the cam film, chaos, light leak, dust, and grainy filter effects. And then you can just open it up and then you can allow to track. You need to grant permissions to camera, to your photo library, to notifications. And then, that's what you have here. You can just import photos. So for example, if I just want to import some photo, some selfie, whatever, and then you just basically it will just attach a filter, or you can just attach some different filters, KD black and white, and then it will just add like a timestamp to it. So yeah, kind of quite cool. So just have that. Or alternatively, you can just go and then just take a photo and let's just see, and then it creates some interesting photos or something like that, just like with that glass of water. So yeah, I like this more. So it's not about importing photos, it's more just about taking photos. It's quite nice, and then you can just take different filters. So yeah, kind of really cool disposable camera app. And that's what it does. You just take these photos and apply these cool filters. And then you also have premium, 7 days free trials, then just $3 per month. And that's what you have here. So yeah, that's the idea. Text art, add text to photo, 100 plus predefined text art design, 30 plus amazing templates for sharing instantly. So yeah, that's what you have. So yeah, hope that is helpful.